Tim, look! They have a puppy pool and everything.
Oh, isn't that sanitary?
Hey, bud, you want to get a picture with Puppy Co. Pete?
No thanks. It's probably too scary for the baby.
Nice call.
So, Tim, your dad and I have some work to do. You want to come up to the office and hang out with us?
We'll stick your brother in the puppy zone while we have a little Tim time.
Tim time?
Look, Dad and I know we haven't been able to do as much with you as we used to, so what do you say?
No thanks. I'd rather spend time with the baby.
Oh,
so
that's
cute.
so sweet.
Way to keep your eyes on the prize, Templeton. We find out what the new puppy is and I go home.
You guys stay in the puppy zone, okay?
Okay, bye. Aha! That's where we'll find the secret file on the new puppy.
We'll never get through that door.
No, not that door. The doggy door.
But how do we get past the guard? Ah!
Ooh.
No, 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 no way. No! Itchy, plushy puppy pants. Ah!
Oh, what a cute little pup! Ow! Yay!
Kids.
Psst. Get down.
Ugh.
All the way down.
I've never been so humiliated in all my life. Arf. What am I doing? Whoa.
Oh no! Yes! Ooh, what a good boy. No, no biting.